We came into D23 with wild predictions, but nobody had this one. Former Disney CEO Bob Iger buying the Lakers. Yes, that happened. And somehow, that was only the start of a strange Disney week. At the same time, James Cameron is openly talking about possibly stepping away from directing future Avatar films. That does not mean Avatar is going away. But Disney has already announced Avatar for California Adventure, so the timing matters. Just days before D23, it gives us one more reason to question how locked in that future really is, and that is worth watching. Then Disney started surveying guests about Avatar and asked one very simple question. How much do you like Avatar? Surveys are not announcements, and Disney asks guest questions all the time. But with the huge Disneyland expansion ahead, Avatar already announced for California Adventure, and D23 arriving right now. Why test guest interest in Avatar at this exact moment? Because Disney already has another option sitting in plain sight, Zootopia. Shanghai Disney has an entire Zootopia land with proven characters, family appeal, and some of Disney's most impressive new ride technology. Disney already knows how to build this world inside a theme park. And that brings us directly back to one of the boldest predictions from our D23 Power Walt, one we are ready to double down on. Maybe every one of these clues is unrelated. Avatar could still move forward exactly as Disney announced. But predictions are about connecting the dots before Disney gives us the answer. So with Cameron, the survey, and Zootopia all in play, we are done taking the safe route. It is time to make the call. We are calling it. Zootopia will replace Avatar at Disney California Adventure. That is our bold D23 prediction. What are your thoughts? Leave your comments and give us a subscribe.
The D23 convention, I'm all ready, can't you tell? And as you can see, I have the official hat, the official Dad Perfect 23. I can't believe they're having a convention for us dads. I'm ready, look at me, I got my camera, I got my double mics, there, I got this little camera that Taylor Swift uses, you know, so I got that so I can get all points of the view for the Dad Perfect 23 convention in Anaheim. And I heard on Sunday they're having the Legends and got the Jonas Bros. There's some guy there named The Rock. I don't even know what that means. Is he like a rock? Like from like Marvel or DC? No, it's gotta be Marvel. Perfect only watches MCU and watches the new Spider-Man. You know, that little guy named Tom England. Got my camera. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 5. All surround sound. 2 times. And Dad Perfect is looking forward to the Dad Perfect 23 going at High Boston. Let's go!